Hello friends, this is Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your WhatsApp account is linked to another device. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss important tips like this. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account and that you can see your chats. Tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Linked Devices. Here, you will be able to see all devices connected to your WhatsApp, device names, last active time. If you see any unknown device, tap on it and select Logout. This will help keep your account secure. You can also add a new device from here. Tap on Link Device. Scan the QR code from WhatsApp web or another device. By using this option, you can easily check where your WhatsApp account is logged in. Keep your account safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.